Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends, and on the mix is Dwayne. And Dwayne is out, and he has sent in a message to Teenage Marcia, and he also mentions LaDonna to say that she is a lady, and so people do not basically come after her. But he has a few advice that he sent into Marcia and Tina, stating that they should take some time away from social media to find God and to spend some time with Him. Go ahead, go catch the video, hear what he has to say about this, and like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday, and I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my friends, have yourselves a beautiful one. And guys, just go ahead and listen to the video and see, form your own opinion from this. What is it that you have to say about this? Do you think that what Dwayne is suggesting is something that should be done? Do you think that, Marcia and Tina, they have the right to do whatever they want to do and they can be a part of social media just as anyone else, even if things are going on, and, just be there? Just leave it in the comments and let's talk about it. And remember, guys, to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Have a great one.
It says Tina Chin and anyone else who needs. This is my advice to you. Tina Chin, and I'd say Marcia too, and anyone else who needs this, I really would encourage you to give Facebook, YouTube, and any other streaming platform you use a break. Why do I say this? Even if you haven't made enough money for you to go into hiatus, right? Hiatus meaning a break. For 2 weeks or more. Still do it. Still do it. Pray to God. Have some kind of meaningful relationship. With God. Build up a relationship with God too. Tina Chin and Marcia, my feeling Marcia in the party, take this advice from me. This is not in any way, shape, or form me being disrespectful. Hear me well, this is in no way, shape, or form am I being disrespectful, right? Whether or not you've made enough money from social media, I will encourage you to give it a break for at least 1 month, right? And build up yourself. Build up your, obviously I know, Tina, you're very confident already, but still, there's areas in your life that you personally you're lacking in, and maybe by you giving social media a break, you can actually go and build up that part of you, right? You know what I've realized, Tina Chin? Everywhere I go on social media, all I hear is constant disrespect. And hello, I mean well. Everywhere I go, Tina Chin, on social media, everywhere I go, all I hear is constant disrespect. Why is this so? Everywhere I go on social media, YouTube, Facebook, mostly Facebook and YouTube, sometimes on TikTok, come here, I've heard people talk about it on TikTok too. All I hear is constant disrespect, right? That's all I hear. Tina Chin, at the end of all of this, at the end of all of this disrespect, you are a female. You are a woman. Are you getting? Everywhere I go on social media, all I hear about you, surrounding your name, is just disrespect. And at the end of all of that disrespect, you are a female, a woman. You know, Tina Chin, I'm going to say, even if you allow this to happen because of fame, clout, whatever, right? You shouldn't have people disrespecting you like this. Tina Chin, do you realize how Michelle LaDonna, and hello, my thing, hello, I'm sorry, LaDonna, I'm sorry, but I had to put you in this. Do you realize how Michelle LaDonna, how she operates on here? In fact, this goes for all of you. Do you guys realize how Michelle LaDonna operates on here? When I say how does she operate on here? Or moved past, because remember, Michelle has not come on here. Michelle has not come on here in some time now. So I'm gonna put the past in it and say, even in the past few months or the past, do you realize how Michelle moves on here? If anyone, this should have been bigger. Michelle, I should have practiced my speech, but trust me, my speech, it's gonna make sense. It's gonna make sense. On the beer of me, I'm gonna land. The speech is going somewhere. It goes somewhere. My advice is going somewhere. Does anyone realize how Michelle LaDonna move or have moved in the past? Anyone who came at Michelle disrespectfully, have any us seen anyone come at Michelle and disrespected her? We should have anyone seen anyone disrespect Michelle on here? When they come at Michelle, has anyone ever disrespected her? And even if they did, one thing I know how Michelle is, Michelle would have come on here. If someone came at Michelle, one thing I know Michelle would have done, she would have come out here and she would have answered them so intelligently and so eloquently, right? That's how we know Michelle Steve. If anyone disrespect Michelle, that the one there will never get Michelle's attention. Never. Never. They will never get it. They will never get it. At no point, Michelle would have come out and given those people her attention. No point. Yet alone. And you see, if people would have come out here and disrespected her, Michelle Metab, Michelle Ladana, those people would have clearly had no ethics, no values, no principles, yet alone morals, right? Then would I never have none of that. So, Tina Chin, when people spoke, when people talk about Michelle, oftentimes they would have to think about them or say about her before them come out to come talk. Cause trust me, she now gonna sit out here and allow people to be disrespecting her. You understand, Tina Chin? And that's just the truth. She would have never allowed anyone to come out and disrespect her and that person disrespecting her and be getting her attention after that. No. Michelle is a lady. Michelle is a lady. And oftentimes, you see you, Tina Chin, me I gotta say, the people them who come out and disrespect you, them don't care. Them don't care. They don't care. So why continue to put yourself in a predicament where you know say the people are continue to diss you, class you, and you come out to give them your attention, and you know say that while come next is more disrespect again, then don't care. So why continue to put yourself in this damn predicament? At this point, Tina Chin, these people will forever look at you as the lowest form of human being. That's the man that disrespect like this. And it's the truth. On I agree, but me see it. The people who constantly come out and diss her, them see her as the lowest form of human being. And at the end of that, she's a woman. Why them can't them think to Michelle? You know, the way me see it. Some of you on here, you is the definition. Well, some of you defines what a gal is, while Michelle would be in the women, what a woman, a real woman, that category. Gal and woman. Tina Chin, you, me gonna say, they put you in the gal category. This is why they deal with you the way they might deal with yourself, like one common gal. That's what I keep on telling you. It's time for you to like give Facebook and give social media a break and go find yourself and maybe have a one-on-one relationship with God, because trust me, at this point, whether if you continue on this path, the people them always got class like is a girl. I mean, no say at the end of this, you are a woman and you want people to treat you like a woman. You want them to treat you like a lady, not even a woman, a lady. And right now, them see it as a girl. That's what them are hungry, so. You know, see it? You should see it. You should see it. And if you don't see it, well, I see it. I see it. I see it. Teacher, I'm going to come answer. Why are you constantly allowing people like this to hurt you? Is it not time you put a stop to this? Is it not time you put a stop to this? It's time. I think it's time. What do you think? What do you think? You know, I am going to say it really hurts me. It really hurts me. It really hurts me to my core. Because I try to respect everyone meaningfully. Or at least my best. Try my best to respect people meaningfully. When are you going to stop letting them do you like this? And anyone else want to take this advice, I feel like you should take it. Tina, to sum up what I'm saying. For far too long, you have built up a lot of enemies on here. And these people, they are always going to disrespect you. Why them going to disrespect you? Because them don't see it as a lady. Them see it like one common girl. And the difference between you and some other people out here who is respected. Those people are seen as ladies, while you, on the other hand, others are seen as common gals. And it hurt me. It hurt me to see how you have constantly allowed this to happen. I don't know if you're doing this. I don't know if you're allowing to disrespect you because of fame, but I would encourage you, put a stop to it. Leave the space. Go into hiatus. Go into hiatus for a little bit of time, even as at least 1 month. Whether or not you've made enough money on here or not, let it go. Whether or not you've made enough money on here to pay your bills or not, don't care. Still go in hiatus and find yourself and like make a meaningful relationship with, like, get to know God. Build up a really strong relationship with yourself and God, because these people, them always gonna see as one girl, that's them always that disrespect yourself. And you know, realize everywhere I go up on social media, the first thing I see your name get mentioned, them dislike you, them diss you. The first thing coming to them on is just outright disrespect. This is because I'm not gonna say it's because of it's not because of a respect thing. It's because, yeah, in fact, I'm gonna say it's because of respect. Them don't respect you. They don't respect you. So maybe it's time you give it a break for a little bit and find a meaningful relationship with God. Find God, my girl, may tell her the truth. Because it really does hurt me to see how you are allowing this to just go on for so long. Every day I get up, I'm telling you, every day I get up, these people, they disrespect you like the lowest form of low. And it's not good. It hurts me to know that you're a woman and you are allowing them to treat you like a common gal. And this is sad. It is sad. Not because of look of fame, look of clout, look of notoriety. We should not want to allow people to come out here and disrespect us all the days of our lives. And this is exactly what's going to happen for you, Tinchin, if you continue to go down the path you're on. I'm not coming at you in any... Listen, hello. This is not meant to sound as me being disrespectful. In fact, it is coming from a place of care. I'm telling the truth. Many of you on here could be my mother. Tinchin, you could be my auntie. You could. Because you're up in that age to be my auntie. You're up in age to be my auntie. And to hear them disrespect you like this, it's not a good thing. It's not. It's not a good thing. So maybe it's time. I'm not saying you have to. I'm saying think about it. Maybe take some time away from social media, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, whatever, and try to build up some kind of relationship with God and build up a very strong bond with God. Get to know God. Go into heights for a little bit. As soon as your name gets mentioned, it's always disrespect. Why them can't do the same to Michelle Ladonna? It's called Michelle Ladonna. When them kind of call her donkey job until God come. At the end of all of that, Michelle will always be a lady. A lady. I'm fine, Philip. Thank you. A lady. And if anyone disrespect Michelle Ladonna, those people clearly had no values, no morals, no principles, yet alone ethics. So they would want to go at her in a demeaning way. And when I realize when people come at Michelle Ladonna, when she comes out, she come on her videos, she speaks so intelligently, so eloquently. Anyone who goes back at her in a nasty way, them dark, very dark. Tina Chin, maybe you should use Michelle Ladonna as a inspiration. I'm telling the truth. It's the truth. I know you don't like her, but at the end of this, Michelle is a damn good woman. That makes her a woman, a lady. Tina Chin, try, my girl, if you try. And I don't care if anyone deems this as me trying to insert myself. But you know the reason why I did this today I was scrolling on social media, and the way I heard how these people spoke about you, Tina Chin, especially that hyena. You see, this, Tina Chin, do you see that hyena? That hyena, she will never be a lady. You have something over her. You was raised with people who loves you. You was raised with people who loves you. You have love surrounding you. And it really hurt. It really broke my heart to see how they've been handling, not just you, but other ladies on here too. How they've been handling you people for some